Welcome to Mountain Brook Farm. My name is Wade Belter, and I would like to talk to you about a Holland Lop Doe that we have. Mountain Brook Georgina, a Holland Lop that is 2 months old. You can see how small she is as she sits next to her bowl. Her dam is Peachy Buns Vegas, a Chestnut Holland Lop Doe, and her sire is Mountain Brook Jasper, a Chestnut Holland Lop Buck. Both the dam and sire have been tested and are clean lines with no Vienna. So here is Georgina, and you can see she has a random white spot on her left front toe. You'll see it more when I pick her up here in just a second. She is so small. She's 2 months old and she's so small. There you go, on the left front foot. You can see a white toes. That's random white spotting. You can see it here too. White toes, random white spotting. Mountain Brook Georgina, Chestnut Holland Lop Doe, 2 months old. Her sire is the son of her dam. So it was, the mother was bred to the son, and this is Georgina, the product of the breeding. And sometimes when you inbreed and breed the line that close, you can get a random white spotting. So there is no Vienna that we know of. We have bred the dam of this litter, Peachy Buns Vegas. We've bred her to a blue-eyed white 3 different times with 2 different bucks, and never produced a blue-eyed white in the litter. Now the sire has been bred to a blue-eyed white doe and did not produce any blue-eyed whites in the litter, but we're going to breed him 2 more times to a blue-eyed white just to make sure. There you go, you can see the random white spot again on the toes. This is such a cute little rabbit. It is so small. And I'm not quite sure what she is going to mature out to be able to do. When they're this small, you question whether or not they will ever be able to breed successfully. However, I may be surprised. We're just going to grow her out and then decide what to do when the time comes. And I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. we've reached the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed this presentation of Georgina. She sure is a cute little bugger. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.